Hello everyone. Welcome to this 3-minute unboxing and review video of the Toyota pickup remote control car. In this video, I will take you through the unboxing process, showcase the features of this incredible RC car, and provide an honest review of its performance. So, let's dive right in. Are you ready? This Toyota pickup remote control car is available in different colors. This remote control car features a 1/16 scale radio control. This pickup truck comes with a remote control with full function. With this remote control, you can easily maneuver this RC car in any direction for an engaging and immersive driving experience. You should purchase and use two 1.5-volt batteries of size AA for the remote control. And here it is, the star of the show, the remote-controlled Toyota pickup truck car. The remote-controlled Toyota pickup car features LED headlights that add a realistic touch, especially during the night. However, this car does not have LED taillights. You can find the battery compartment and the on or off switch at the bottom of this remote control car. You will need to purchase and install 4 1.5-volt batteries of size AA in the remote control car. Let's now give this car a test drive. This remote-controlled car is designed specifically for flat surfaces. Whether you're a Toyota fan or simply love remote control cars, this model is sure to impress. With its attention to detail, impressive performance, and sturdy construction, it's a fantastic addition to any RC car collection. Thanks for watching.